You're watching CBS 4. We have team coverage for you this morning. CBS 4 Traffic Authority monitoring some trouble spots on the roads. But first, we got to get to Krista and talk about these cold temperatures outside.
Yeah, I don't think I'm making a lot of friends talking about these cold temperatures today and into tomorrow. We had a cold front that passed through last night. Our winds have now shifted out of the northwest, and it is just filtering in some Arctic air. It is cold this morning. It's going to get colder by quite a bit as we head into Wednesday morning. But let's get you prepared for today. Out the door in Indianapolis, our temperature has dropped to 11 degrees. We have those winds a little breezy out of the northwest at 9 miles an hour. We are even colder. We're at 5 degrees in Kokomo, 7 in Lafayette, and not quite as cold Shelbyville at 17. But these temperatures have come down about 10 to 15 degrees cooler from where we started off yesterday morning. So you're certainly going to feel it as you're heading out the door, and you'll really feel these wind chills. We had that wind chill factor down to -2. That's what it feels like walking out the door in Indianapolis. Feels like 3 in Bloomington. Feels like -9 in Kokomo. But Live Guardian radar is quiet. We aren't tracking those snow showers like we were yesterday morning. We do have some flurries around the area. We have some snow showers in far northern Indiana, but otherwise things are looking good here. We're actually seeing those clouds breaking up. It's going to be a brighter day. You can see that here on CBS 4 Future View. Taking you to the lunch hour, we're still nice and dry, and we'll see those clouds continue to thin out as we head later into the afternoon, especially through the evening as high pressure works its way closer into the area, and it's really going to clear those skies on out. So sunshine around today, but temperatures are still going to stay quite cold. We'll take them up to about 20 degrees by the lunch hour, looking at a high closer to 3 near 22, and then we'll start dropping again. So a cold day ahead, running about 15 degrees below average, and those wind chills will be a factor at the warmest part of the day, looking at them only rising into those low and mid-teens, and then by 6 o'clock into the evening, they're already dropping back down into those single digits. Many of us will fall below 0 with those wind chills as we head through the late evening hours, and then a wind chill advisory will go into effect. It's already been issued, but it doesn't go into effect until 1 a.m. tomorrow morning. It lasts through 11 a.m., and you can see it covers a very large portion of central Indiana. This is very important because we're talking about dangerously cold wind chill temperatures that in some locations could go as low as -20. We can see that here. We'll take future view to 7 a.m. Our northern counties looking to be the coldest at 7 a.m. This showing Kokomo right around -18, -11 out the door in Indianapolis. So very cold start. Frostbite can set in as little as 30 minutes in these conditions. So you'll want to make sure you take precautions. The actual air temperature dropping to 3 degrees tomorrow morning will rival the season's coldest so far. We've hit that once so far this season. Looking to be there again tomorrow morning. As we get into the afternoon tomorrow, up to 20 degrees, sunshine around, but still a very cold day. Thursday, we are looking at some afternoon and evening light snow showers, looking to be scattered in nature, so not everybody will get hit by them, but something that we are watching closely. Falling temperatures on Friday. It's going to be a cold close to the work week. It's not until Sunday that we're looking at temperatures rising back to seasonal averages in the mid-30s.